Hello! Don't know if there's anybody here. Don't think so. But we'll see. Won't be streaming for too long. But we'll see if we can get something going. Set a timer. Never used it. Okay, so we've got a project. A little project. Initial commit. Push. Okay. Here we go. What will we be working on? Well, first of all, we're gonna make a new Godot app. Here, we're gonna make a simple game in which the goal is for the player to move around in the real world and visit tiles. Each tile is a zone from the OSM tiles, probably at zoom level 18 or 19 or something. And they get points by visiting it. Now, this is a concept that I've worked with before, so it shouldn't be too difficult, but I've never actually done it in Godot. So let's get Godot started. Steam, right? Yep, Godot. That way we've got the latest version. Okay. Create a mobile project. Let's see, browse. Okay, Godot is downloading stuff. Always fun. It's downloading a lot of stuff, actually. Stuff that it really shouldn't. Why is it downloading PDFs? Looks like it's downloading everything in my documents folder from my OneDrive. That's weird. Oh well, let me explain a bit. So I've got this project over here called GPS Tile Collector. I don't know if that is what we'll name it, but for now that's the project name. You know what we can do? We can open this in code. We can write a little readme. GPS tile collector is a simple GPS geolocation game. Should probably zoom in a bit so you can actually read this. Here we go. So a simple GPS/geolocation game in which the simple single player GPS location game in which the player oh, it's done with downloading stuff, in which the player has to visit as many tiles on the real world map as possible. They do this by actually going there IRL in real life. Sure. Let's get a little message in there. There we go. Oh, yep. That we'll have to do in the Git Kraken, because I'm using a weird SSL key. Okay, so Godot. E dev GPS games tile collector, select folder. Don't create a folder. GPS tile collector. Create. Okay. Here we go. Now, what files did you create? You created a git ignore. A git ignore. Okay. Project file, icon. Steam apps, common, Godot engine. Okay. Git ignore. Beans code. There we go. Now, there we go. Now, what do we need to do next? We've got a project. Let's see if we can get some UI stuff. If you play right now, what happens? Select. We need a scene. User interface. What do we call this? Main UI or something? Make a new folder. Call it scenes. Main UI. Okay. And now it should launch. Select current. Oh, we've got a little debugger window now. Fancy. Okay. Can we add a child node, a label, or something? And how do you rename it? Version, etc. See. GPS tile collector version 0.0. See if that works. There we go. How? Okay, so it's a mobile game, right? So we've got a little window thingy. Right? And we got an issue for that. Issues, new Godot app. Let's make a little script or something. Attach script. Let's see, let's browse. Go up one level. New folder. Scripts. Main UI. Create. Let's to be replaced. Okay. And then what we can do is let's open that over here. Okay. Do we have like const? Project version. Okay. Now you will launch. Okay. And now we can say ready. Wait, is that a thing? Nope. Okay. Get child object called label called version etc and set the text to the value of project name. How do you do that? Is that how you do it? Ooh, that's quite easy. Okay. Why is it not saving? It actually saved? It saved. It's just not saying that it saved. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Does this work? Push. Okay. Close issue. There we go. Okay, very nice. Now, I'm gonna go for a quick bathroom break. I'll be back in a minute or 3. Okay, I'm back. Sleepless nights. Okay, what are we gonna do? Well, let's see. Issues. It almost looks like we're like 50% done now. So we've got to get GPS coordinates. Um, um, current tile ID to get. Okay. New issue and get display current tile. Fill screen with tiles. Oh. I haven't been assigning them to the milestone. Display current tile, milestones. Fill screen with tiles. Panel map. Sure. Zoom on map. Get more zoomed out tile when zoomed out. That sounds like a good idea. What else do we need? We need get point when in tile, when entering tile. Oh, and we need something to actually store the points and everything. So we need a save game system. Probably using SQLite. Okay. What are we gonna work on? One thing closed. Let's work on we want to work on getting the GPS coordinates. That sounds like a plan. Start timer. Okay. Put a geolocation plugin folder in the Android plugins folder in your project. Okay. This is not just in the asset lib. What's it called? Geolocation. That's a different one. Which one should I use? Let's try this one first. Let's just download it. Now, what did I say? Releases. Is this what I need? Don't think so. Nope. Let's just test. I need these two files, okay. Save file. Okay. Geolocation plugin folder. There isn't a geolocation plugin folder. Okay. In res. New folder. New folder. Need to name it Android. New folder. Plugins. Okay. Downloads. Android plugins. Do that. Install the Android build thingy. Project. Install Android build template. Okay. Ooh, it's not good. Wait, what? Okay. Add Android export in project. Export. Add Android. Enable use custom build in the custom build section. Enable geolocation. Yeah, I can do that. There's no custom build section. Permission, okay. Course location. Dee, dee, dee. Dee, dee, dee. Okay. Find location. Use custom build. Do they mean use Gradle build? Probably mean that, right? Okay. Export project. Let's try. If it works. Let's see. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, 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 dee. Dee, dee, dee. Come on. Configure project. Installing the Android SDK. Nice that it does that for me. Ooh, it failed. Why did it fail? Um, okay. minimum SDK version. Needs to be at least 31. We can do that. Export project. This should be faster because the daemon is already running. And everyone knows that if a daemon is already running. Oop, and it crashed again. Why did it crash? Why can't I copy it from this window? Eclipse Adoptium. 7099 hotspot. Bin. Indeed, it doesn't exist. Is that normal? Um, let's see. Adoptium. JDK. Save file. Agree. Okay, next. Next, install. That should add a new version. Hopefully add it to the path correctly. Oh, need to quickly give my permission. Yep. New version, JDK 21. Finish. Let's see if it exports now. Or if I need to restart it. How do you get your environment variables? Looks like I'll need to restart this. Open Godot again. It's already running. Let's see, Gradle. Gradle isn't running. Godot isn't running, according to Task Manager. Interesting. Exit Steam. Get Godot going. Okay. See if it works now. Project. Export. Export project. Save. How do you restart the Gradle daemon? Start a terminal. Gradle status. Huh. JPS. Godot. Java. Okay. See if it works now. I killed the oh, okay. Let's try. Oop. Ran into an issue. Why is it using... Is there like a... Here we go. Delete. Wrong versions. Okay. I probably need to kill it again. See if it works now. Are you sure the Gradle version is compatible? I haven't a freaking clue. I haven't installed Gradle. I've never worked with Gradle before. But the thing is that wait, internal Android JDK image. So it's, first of all, I don't know a lot about Java. I used it like 10 years ago for the last time. And I never used Gradle. But what I'm seeing is, first of all, it's saying that it's looking for a JDK for the development kit, but then it's looking at a runtime environment, and the runtime environment doesn't have the J-Link. So I've got a, I just installed the newest JDK from Adoptium, and this does have the J-Link. But it's still looking in the folder for the old, for the JRE, for the old one. And I killed the process, the Java process, which stops the Gradle daemon, because I thought, well, so I installed a new version, the JDK, and I removed the old versions from my path variable, and then I restarted the daemon, but it's still looking at the old JRE. So now I'm thinking, what I just noticed is internal Android JDK image. Could not resolve all files for configuration. Is there like a variable here that I need to change so that it looks at the correct location. Android source template, probably not. APK expansion. All the permission things. Okay. Let's see, what does Googling this say? Godot. Over here. Config.gradle. Where is config.gradle? Okay. Android build. Okay. Android build. Settings of Gradle, config of Gradle. Android Gradle plugin. Min SDK. Java version 17. Okay. So I need a JDK for 17. Windows 64 17. I need a JDK. Let's get an installer, please. Thank you very much. But thanks, asocial sociopath. Install. What app do you want to build? Well, I'm making a game where the idea is that you move around in the real world to collect tiles. The map will be divided into square tiles using the OSM tiles. Raster tiles here. So the map will be divided into tiles. Not at this zoom level, but at a deeper zoom level at level 19. Or 18, haven't decided yet. And you have to collect them. And once you collect one, you get like a point. I've got badges planned out for collecting tiles within geographic regions and stuff. But first of all, I don't know, you're probably not hearing this because we're in the ad right now. First, I need to get a build working with GPS. Let's see if it works. Export project. So people walk around in the... Yeah, except, first of all, it's single player. I could say because it's privacy focused or anything or something, but mostly because I don't want to deal with server architecture and network code right now. Exactly, something like Pokemon Go, a geolocation game. Why is it still looking at the JRE thingy over here? It's looking in the wrong folder. Environment variables. And yeah, the main reason that I'm making this game is I've made it before, first of all, using Unity. But I don't want to use Unity anymore. So I decided to use Godot. Because I've got ideas for new features and stuff. Java Home. Is that the new JDK version? The path has the JDK 17. But why is it still looking over here? Do I need to restart my computer or something? Or do I need to change like a setting in here? Where is this Java version thing defined? Nowhere. Then where would I find it? Where would I change it? Do I need to restart my computer? Is that a thing? Do I need to restart my computer after? That would be annoying. But I can do that. So please stick around, people. I'll be back in, I don't know, a minute or two. Because I'm going to try restarting the computer, seeing